Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this delicious fish soup, so stay tuned. Celery stem. Prior to this video, I washed all my vegetables behind the scene. So I will be using celery stem. Cut celery stems into small slices. After cutting, put in a small bowl. Carrots. I will cut my carrots into small blocks. I will put my sliced carrot into a bowl and set aside. Onion. Next, I will cut my onion into small blocks. I will go ahead and put my chopped onion into a bowl and set aside. Dal. After which I will slice my dal and set aside. Next up is my fish. I will cut my fish into small slices. Then I will put my fish into a bigger bowl and marinate. I will be using soya sauce, powder maggi, white pepper, mixed fish spices, lemon juice, bring pot to heat and add butter. Add sliced onion. Then carrots. Celery. Then go ahead and stir. Add peas. Add water. Maggi bouillon. Salt. Add pot lid and allow to cook. After plus or 10 minutes, I will add my fish. Then I will give it a thorough mix. After which I will add my lid and allow it to cook. Next up, I'll add some cream, white pepper, and then mix. I'll add my dal at this moment and stir. I will add some cream and mix again to give it that creamy taste. Stir and allow to boil for 2 minutes. At this point, my soup is ready. I will go ahead and off the heat. You can serve as an appetizer, lunch, or dinner. Have a fun cooking day. I see you on my next video. Bye.